Consistency is the chain that binds greatness together. It is not a matter of feelings, but of character. The man who is consistent does not move like a leaf in the wind. He is the mountain. The storm may hit him, the rain may pour, but he remains unmoved. To be consistent is to live with discipline, to rise above chaos, and to build a legacy stone by stone. The world belongs to those who show up every day, not to those who only show up when they feel like it. Let us now speak about the 4 sacred ways of becoming a consistent man. 1. Have a vision greater than your emotions. If a man has no clear vision, he will chase after every distraction like a hungry dog chasing flies. You must see your future self so vividly that quitting feels like betrayal. Your emotions are like wild horses. They'll try to drag you away from your path. But if your vision is strong, you grip the reins and command them. See the man you want to be 5, 10, 20 years from now. Engrave his image into your soul. He wakes up early, he works without excuse, he does what needs to be done. A man without vision is like a ship without a compass. He will drift endlessly and crash on rocks. Build your map, then follow it. 2. Make rituals, not just goals. Many men dream, but dreams without structure are castles in the clouds. You must create rituals, daily, unshakable actions that align with your purpose. Not go to the gym when I feel like it, but I train every morning at 6 a.m. no matter what. Think of a farmer in ancient times. He doesn't ask himself whether he wants to plow the field, he simply does it, because the harvest depends on it. You too must have rituals like a warrior sharpening his sword every dawn. The consistency lies not in the motivation, but in the rhythm of action. 3. Do it when you don't feel like it. This is the moment where men are forged, when you are tired, when you are heartbroken, when nobody believes in you. This is when you get up, not because you want to, but because you must. The true measure of a man is what he does when it would be easier to quit. It is easy to act when the sun is shining, but real strength is built in the storm. When the world says rest, and your body says stop, and your emotions cry no, you must whisper, I go. You are not a boy. You are not soft clay to be molded by moods. You are stone. You are steel. You are forged by fire. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel Wired Stoic on YouTube and follow me on TikTok to be always reminded of becoming more stoic, masculine, and successful every day. 4. Track progress like a general mapping a war. A man who doesn't measure his progress is like a blind archer. He will shoot and never know if he hits. You must track your days like a commander tracking the battlefield. Did you show up? Did you improve? Where did you fall? Why? Write it down every night, not just for motivation, but for mastery. Each small step matters. One brick placed perfectly every day becomes a fortress in time. A journal is not weakness. It is the weapon of the aware man. The man who knows himself is the man who conquers himself. Consistency is not a feeling. It is a principle. A man of virtue stands tall not because life is easy, but because he made a decision to walk the path every day, no matter what. Be like the stone that breaks the wave, the oak that defies the wind, the torch that still burns in the rain. Be consistent or be forgotten.